we're pseudo cleaned up good enough. There's a lot of paint or filler dust and stuff underneath here that I completely missed, but that beside the point, it doesn't matter. I've got 2 lines here. Now these lines are dictating the space I have to do the custom stamping right here. I've never done this before. We did a proof of concept quite a while ago where I was playing with it. And I know it'll work, obviously, because they can stamp. I just don't have the fancy tools to like custom build stamps or nothing. So, or whatever. So we're going to use MDF, hammer and dolly, and we're going to make this work. It should work really good. Good enough, at least it'll look really nice when it's done. This right here, this metal is actually not... Okay, that was a bit excessive. I get that. I can't find my goggles, but I was sitting there using the router and it blew up in my face. I knew it was going to, it always does, but I didn't wear my goggles, and then I cleaned up like all around and all that, and I don't know where my goggles went, so it worked. I just used these, which I bought these to just, I don't know, to see if they worked better, and they don't. And then just flipped them up, and it's got a normal lens, so it worked. Yep. You can see the warp behind it. It's just, it isn't gonna work. It's just, it's been a lot of effort to move that stupid V, and it doesn't. So I'm gonna cut out a piece, make a sticker, put a sticker on it, take it down to my brother's, and bead rolled the bastard. Whoa, dude. Yep. So obviously that's not going to work. So I'm not going to sit around and wait to get it done. No point. I don't know when the next time I'll be able to make it down to Arkansas. So that's done. It needs a little bit more finesse. But I want to go ahead and get some the short strand on it and see where it's high, where it's low. I know it's going to dip down into there a little bit. I mean, this panel was completely destroyed. So there's a lot of working right here. There's a big nasty crease that I got to get rid of. And then there's where they botched rolling the fenders. I mean, there's a right way to roll a fender, and this is sure shit not it. This is some fuckery right here. Fender's chopped, but now we have a problem. I need an extra set of hands. Tape's not going to stick to this. I need an extra set of hands so I can start placing it, get measurements from that side, draw the line of where the inside or the top side of that fender should actually place. But I need help doing that. I don't have help. It's almost midnight. She's still at work. Well, she should be home any minute now, but she's not going to want to come out here. So, and this may be a short episode, but the hammer dolly, man, it's tedious. I show some of it, but I don't show you like the forever time that I'm sitting there shaping in and out and getting it better and better and better and better and better and better. And then it's 30 minutes of pulling here with the, you know, up underneath there with the tool, just slowly working the metal out. And it is what it is. I'm decently happy with the way this is coming so far. You know, all that's chopped out. This inner fender, of course, I'm going to have to chop out that whole section because it's literally, it comes out and dives down. That dive down, like the other side, is just I'm just going to cut it all out, weld in new metal. This wheel well is solid, so I don't have to worry about any kind of weird stuff going on with it. But that'll allow us that when someday we get air ride on this thing, we can pump it down and we don't have to worry about hitting anything. So, yeah. Because obviously this car can't be that low permanently. And yes, coilovers, you can adjust them. You can't adjust them on the fly. So, or unless you get the air strut versions, and then I might as well just buy air ride. Air ride works perfectly fine. I mean, look at that guy with the WRX doing time attack. There's nothing wrong with air ride. But with coilovers, I can't like slam the car because then I can't get down my driveway, especially 240s are known, the exhaust sits low. We do have a solution to that, which is going to be really cool, and someday we'll get to show you guys that solution. It's just a different type of tubing, essentially. But, yeah, I think we accomplished a decent amount over the last couple days. Yeah, so I'm going to end up going somewhere else probably to get the shirts made. This guy keeps rejecting everything, and I don't know why. There's no reason why they're being rejected. Now, I ordered some of the same material that he uses to heat press onto the shirts, and it's just, you cut it reverse in a plotter, and then you put it down, and then you put like a waxy paper over it, and you heat press it, right? And it bonds down into the shirt. So order the same material. I just ordered a yard of it. I'm going to cut the design out, and I'm going to put it on a shirt, because I've done this stuff before, but they're not perfect. So if that works, my design works, I'll take the t-shirt and the design in to the probably like Neosho Graphics or something, because they do all the Midwest shirts, and they turn out phenomenal. So I'll take it to them and then say, see, this is proof of concept. I know them as professionals can do a better job than me as somebody that just kind of DIY dabbles into it. My blue shirt that says Midwest and has the crown, I did that. The little design on the back, I muffed it up, and so it's kind of boogeried. But I just don't see why it's like that. But I'm hoping that something will happen so that in like an episode or so, a couple episodes, I'll be able to show you what the shirts will look like. Now, Marina and I can't order ours because it's pointless for us to order ours and pay a certain price and then order the winner's size. For this episode, I'm going to stop blabbing, go in, get to work, get a bunch of work done. Hopefully Saturday, maybe. I think we can just let the kids play outside, and Marina will be able to help me with this. Or maybe I'll run into James tomorrow. It's neighbor, and he comes out here quite often. He's actually been in the videos. And have him help me, because he helps me every once in a while. Like, he helped me hold up the other side when we were trying to do the slices, because Marina wasn't strong enough to pull it up. So he is, because he's like this tall. So yeah, I'm gonna get off here. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I did. It's actually fun shaping the metal. It's something that I'm not acclimated to. It's something that's pretty new. And it's fun to see how the metal works. Like, oh, if you do this with it, this will work this section, even though you're not even working that section. It's actually really cool. Have a good one. I'll see you all in the next one.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school. So you can feel cool. Give it to me, baby. Baby. Yeah.